ServiceTitan versus Housecall Pro. Which fits your trade business best? ServiceTitan is enterprise-focused, powerful scheduling, robust reporting, and integrated dispatch. Housecall Pro is user-friendly, affordable, with simple invoicing and mobile-first workflows. Both offer scheduling, invoicing, and customer portals, but differ in depth and scale. ServiceTitan targets larger teams with higher cost. Housecall Pro offers accessible tiered pricing. Quick look: ServiceTitan Dashboard and Housecall Pro apps side by side for feature context. ServiceTitan Pros: advanced reporting, custom workflows, and field tech management at scale. Cons: steeper learning curve, longer setup, and higher monthly investment. Housecall Pro Pros: ease of use, fast onboarding, and strong mobile features for small teams. Cons: limited advanced reporting, fewer customizations, and scaling constraints for larger operations. If you have 20 or more technicians or complex workflows, lean towards ServiceTitan. 3 takeaways: match software to team size, prioritize ease of adoption, and calculate expected ROI.